This is the ultimate truth. Whether you like it or you don't, whether you are aware of it or you are not, everybody is practicing law of attraction in their life. Law of attraction is a law and it's applicable for everyone, each and everyone, and it does work. I have already explained how the concept of luck becomes irrelevant when you understand the power of belief and gratitude. Law of attraction is similar. When you are desperate, when you are sad, when you are down, when you are out, law of attraction is working for you. But it is rather working in a negative way, bringing more negativity, bringing more bad circumstances, bringing more grief and sorrow in your life. It becomes a chain. And when you are positive, when you are happy, when you are grateful, it automatically brings better things in your life. It happens. Many people all are not even aware that something called law of attraction exists, but they are practicing it. They are applying it each and every moment of their life. This is how law of attraction works. It exists. You may be aware, you may like it, you may not. It's simple, it does exist. To practice law of attraction for something like height gain, you have to believe that your body is not just affected by your parental DNA or genetics or stuff like that. Any change in your body you want, you have to get this thing very clear in your mind. Your body is affected by your thoughts, your feelings, your state of mind, your vibrations. Everything in the universe is on vibration. Everything is vibrating in this universe at a certain vibrancy, at a certain frequency. And you attract and resonate with frequency that matches yours. So when you raise your frequency and vibrations, you get matching things. Your body is made up of cells, and cells are made up of atoms, and atoms are made up of subatomic particles. And according to string theory, the subatomic particles are nothing but vibrations of energy combined by a string. Everything is connected. So if your body is made up of vibrations and your thoughts and feelings are made up of vibrations, your thoughts and your feelings will affect your body. Isn't that positive? Isn't that very logical? That is how when you're stressed, you feel sick. And when you're happy, your body automatically feels charged up. It's it's very scientific concept. There is nothing to debate about that. So if you are applying law of attraction for anything in your body, for outside your body, in this physical world, you have to work inside first. You have to manifest from the level of thoughts and beliefs and mindset. And then manifestation on the outer level, in your body, in the outside world, will automatically happen. This is what you need to understand. It's very simple, it's very straight. Do not try to change your body by continuously focusing on your body. You'll keep on failing. You have to focus on your mind, on your inner conditioning, on your heart, on your environment, and then see things come up like magic in your life. Have a great day and great life.